Very good morning to all the students. I hope you all are safe in this pandemic and also enjoying the online classes opportunity given by KLS Management. Now, today's topic title is Sports for Stress Management. Introduction. Stress is an inevitable part of life. 7 out of 10 adults in our country says they experience stress or anxiety daily, and most say it interferes at least moderately with their lives. So it stands to reason that if your body feels better, so does your mind. Exercise and other physical activities produce endorphins chemicals in the brain that act as natural painkiller and also improve the ability to sleep, which in turn reduces stress. Now students, we take stress off study, examination, result, good marks, percentage, what parents and friends may say, and many other things. In fact, students' life is to be filled with stress from the time we get up in the morning until we go to sleep at night. Though we usually think of stress as something negative, there is another side too. What if the hectic path is actually good for us? Have you ever thought about it? Though the ages, it seems like our bodies have developed way to handle stress in much more complex and creative way than we realize. It may even help us grow stronger and healthier. Now let's check what statistical number has to say about this stress. According to a recent ADAA online poll, it's impossible to eliminate stress from our life, but we can learn to manage stress. This is what most people usually do. Some 14% of people make use of regular exercise to cope with stress. Others reported talking to friend or family members 18%, sleeping 17%, watching movie or TV 14%, as well as eating 14% and listening to music 13%. Well, students, while all of these are well known coping techniques, but most of the healthcare professionals they recommend exercise is the best way to reduce tension or stress. What is stress? A reaction that occurs when something you care about is at stake. This could be your frustration over a traffic jam or your grief over the loss of a loved one. There are many research articles which reveals that high levels of stress increase the risk of death. But this was only in people who couldn't handle stress. Students, let me tell you, stress is dangerous only if you believe it is. Hundreds of times we have heard doctors saying that don't take stress, otherwise you will invite unwanted illness. Am I right? Positivity is a form of belief which can influence your health. Such belief can be considered as mindset or something that is superior to learned facts, usually based on your own understanding of how the world works. Mindset affects how you think, act, and feel. Your attitude towards stress is a central part of your mindset which shapes the choices you make in day to day life. If a person who faces stress head on, chances are you will feel more confident about handling life's challenges. In this way, The belief that stress is helpful becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. Now, students, what I'm trying to say is people who challenge the stress of daily situation and face different conditions of life are found to be more emotionally intelligent and optimistic, and also they enjoy their life for longer span. Exercising body and mind. The physical benefits of exercise improving physical condition and fighting disease have long been established, and physicians always encourage staying physically active. Exercise is also considered vital for maintaining mental fitness and it can reduce stress. Now, students, study shows that it is very effective at reducing fatigue, im- improving alertness and concentration, and it enhances overall cognitive functions. Now, students, when you take stress, it especially helpful when stress has depleted your energy or ability to concentrate. When stress is taken, it affects your brain. With it, many nerves connected. The rest of the body feels the impact as well. So it stands the reason that if your body feels better, so does your mind. Exercise and other physical activity produce endorphin. Endorphin is a chemical in the brain that act as natural painkiller and also improves the ability to sleep, which in turn reduce stress. Meditation, acupuncture, massage therapy, even breathing deeply can cause your brain to produce endorphin. And conventional wisdom holds that a workout of low to moderate intensity makes you feel energetic and healthy. Now, students, there are many research articles and even scientists have found that regular participation in aerobic exercise have been shown to decrease overall level of tension, also in stabilizing your mood, improve your sleep, and also improves self-esteem. Even 5 minutes of aerobic exercise can stimulate anti-anxiety effect in your body. Now, students, why sports plays a major role in relieving stress? Teenagers have a lot on their plate, day in and day out, between classes, homework, chaos, and other extracurricular activities. Many teens may think that adding another activity to what they may feel like is already a heavy load and it may be stressful for them. But they don't know what is. Many of these may realize that participating in sports can be an incredible way of reducing stress. Here, how it will be. Sports stimulates the body production of endorphin. Physical activities such as sports stimulates the body's production of chemicals that are responsible for positive changes in an individual moods. These neurotransmitters are called endorphins, and at heightened levels they causes a feel good response. This feeling helps to reduce tension or stress. Sports engagement increase self-esteem. Improved self-esteem can dramatically reduce your overall level of stress. Being a part of a team is an amazing way to build one's self-esteem. When you are more confident in your own abilities, you feel better about yourself. Now, students, sports can improve your confidence when meeting goals that you have set for yourself. Sports promotes individuals to feel good about themselves. Through competition, they discover their own potential to do better and to hold themselves to a higher standards. People who are active in sports generally have healthier bodies. For teens who are not happy with their self-image, having a body that is fit is great for self-confidence. Sports can relieve mental stress by promoting better sleep. Studies have shown that sports and exercise can decrease mild symptoms of depression and even improve the quality of sleep. Now, students, let me tell you why the sleep is important for all of us. The quality of your sleep has been directly linked to your sense of well being. The more sleep you get, the better you feel. Now, students, the more it doesn't mean you are going to sleep for a longer interval of time. For an adult, 7 hours is sufficient sleep. Okay. Lack of sleep can be frustrating and lead to anxiety. The physical activity that is received from playing sports can help increase sleep duration. Sports participation promotes socialization. A great way of managing stress is through socializing. Socialization helps relieve stress by promoting the hormone oxytocin, which promotes relaxation, thus reduces anxiety. Playing a sports, mainly a team sports, gives you the opportunity to make new friends who shares a common interest. Now, students, why we have to focus on team sports? Let me share you the ideas. Why is it so? Being around others who shares a mutual goal motivates you. This motivation can significantly relieve anxiety and steer you away from depression. Involvement in team sports has been associated with social acceptance, which can be further nurtured through positive coaching and support from team members. Now, students, when you play sports, there is not only oxytocin released in your body, there are several stress responses that help us to face a difficulty with positive outlook. One of these is challenge response. It is similar to fight or flight response. The challenge response releases cortisol and adrenaline to generate a feeling of self-confidence and the motivation to learn from a tough experience. Such experiences teaches our body and mind how to handle similar stress in the future. That is why going through stress makes you better at coping with it in the long run. Which are the best sports to reduce stress? Running, as it is the first skill that we have learned after taking birth. The most important point here is you need to be in aerobic range. Okay, just see that you shouldn't overtrain yourself by running too much. Okay, a regular walk can help you to reduce your stress hormones also. Yoga. Yogasana is another effective way to clear your mind. Next one is team sports. As on the earlier slide, I have explained you how important it is, the team sports, as the team sports help you to socialize with others, and because of it, you'll feel relief from your stress. Teams sports like soccer, football, netball, handball. There are many team sports you can get used to, and which will help you to relax your tension or stress. They will also help you to build your self confidence. Self defense. These give you awareness of your body, which helps you balance, and improve your coordination. Climbing, outdoor sports in fresh air gives you a great sense of freedom. You learn to focus on the essential and not get distracted. Virtually any form of exercise or movement can increase your fitness level, which decreases your stress. The most important thing is to pick an activity that you enjoy. Example including walking, stair climbing, jogging, bicycle, yoga, tai chi, gardening, weightlifting, and swimming. Students, here I'll be concluding my topic with this few summary. If you want to reduce stress through sports, it's important that you have a positive association with the sports you choose. In other words, you should enjoy the sports and not overdo it. A short workout that's not too exhausting helps relieves your stress. There are no advantage to choosing a sports or training plan that just create more stress because you are too competitive or pushing yourself too hard. The key is to find out how much easy exercise you need to get relaxed. Like example, if your friend is running for a 10 kilometers, it doesn't mean you have to run for 10 kilometers to get relaxed. No, you can just take a breeze walk or just take a short run by 2 kilometers or 4 kilometers. It will help you. Okay, my point is here is you don't overtrain yourself and just enjoy the sports, and you will sense a feeling of relaxation from stress. Students, to get relief from your stress, your tension, you need to maintain your diet and a physical activity. These are very essential things to enjoy your life to the fullest. Okay. Thank you. Stay home and stay fit. Bye bye.